In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do text-to-speech in Adobe Express. We'll walk through a simple workflow that starts with an add-on, so you can go from your spoken ideas to clean, usable text, and then turn that text into a polished voiceover inside your project. The goal is to keep things quick, clear, and dependable. Open your project in Adobe Express and go to Add-ons. This panel is where you connect powerful mini tools directly into your workspace. If you don't see it right away, look along your main interface for the Add-ons option. Opening it brings up a searchable library of features that work right inside Express, so you don't have to juggle multiple apps. In the Add-ons panel, use the search bar and type text-to-speech. You'll see options related to voice and transcription. Choose the text-to-speech option that fits your needs and open it. The add-on loads in a side panel, keeping you in your project so everything stays organized. Inside the add-on, select the record option. Before you start, make sure you're in a quiet space, your microphone is selected, and you're close enough to be heard clearly. A quick tip: speak at a steady pace and enunciate. Short, clear sentences tend to give the best results. If your script includes unusual names or technical terms, say them slowly. You can also pause briefly between ideas to help the service place punctuation accurately. When you're ready, click Record and begin speaking naturally, just as you'd want the final narration to sound. Keep your tone consistent and try to maintain the same distance from the mic throughout. If you make a mistake, simply pause and restate the sentence cleanly. The system will focus on your final delivery. Stop the recording when you're done. The add-on will automatically translate your speech to text and display the result for you. This gives you a clean script inside Adobe Express that you can review for accuracy. Use this text as the foundation for your project's narration, on-screen captions, or as the exact script you'll feed into a voice option for text-to-speech. Because it all happens within Express, it's easy to keep your words aligned with your visuals. That's the entire flow. Go to Add-ons, search text-to-speech, record, and let the system convert your voice into text you can immediately use. With a clear recording and steady delivery, you'll get results that are ready for a professional-sounding voiceover in minutes,